To lack the glucose, you're not going to have enough fluid in your system.
As you progress without those fluids, you become delirious. On day 4, that confusion will get worse. You may start fitting, your body is going into kidney failure, and ultimately the person dies of dehydration.
To rule out foul play within the secure inner enclosure, we defy the committee and enlist Prem Lema, Ram's oldest friend and carer, to get a closer look.
In the beginning, he used to walk around this tree in the morning, chanting mantras. After that, he meditated for 3 months before going into the deep trance that he's in today.
After a thorough search inside the tree and the ground area surrounding Ram, there's nothing suspicious. No food pipes buried or supplies hidden.
Are people there creating a scam for us to believe in? I hope not. It would be an elaborate scam to do that.
Surely if it was a scam, someone within the committee would have let on, told the papers, weakened for money.
The people in this area, they don't tell lies. They tell the truth that you have. That is also the proof.
After 96 hours of filming, Ram has defied modern science by continuing his meditation and remaining alive. Many of the pilgrims at the site are from a scientific background and are torn by what they see. Is he a miracle or a myth?
त्यति गरेपछि यो विज्ञान रिराइट हुन्छ यो विज्ञान फेलर हो हेर्नुस् यो मोडर्न मेडिसिनको म डाक्टरको कामै छैन यहाँ
है विज्ञान फेलर भन्ने मिल्दैन कि यसमा के छ विज्ञानले अहिले सम्मको जति आविष्कारहरू गरेको छ नि हजुर
We have whole religions built around miracles. Jesus rose from the grave. Millions of people believe that. That's the center and core of their religion. How do we say in another culture it's not possible? Everything is possible.
मेडिटेसन गरेर मोडर्न मेडिसिन हैन त्यो मेडिसिन
मेडिकल साइन्सको कुरा गर्नुहुन्छ नि मेडिकल साइन्स पनि अझै पनि पूर्ण छैन हैन
Prolonged fasting is not as simple as we understand. We all should explore the benefits of this kind of fasting.
The debate over science and spirituality will always continue. And so too the tug of war between those who have Ram's best interests at heart and those who want to make a quick buck.
It's very difficult when you have that belief that you have an individual that has transcended our normal biological needs of food and fluid. It's very hard to reject that if you truly believe it.
Maybe the brother knows the answer. He has the key to the inner sanctum. He is the only one allowed to speak to Ram. He will continue to empty the donation boxes, reaping the rewards while the truth remains unresolved.
The media people should not create confusion. He will show the truth himself.
Despite the isolation, he has created a commodity, a celebrity icon for the whole of Nepal. Surely everyone's a winner in this situation.
After 6 years, he will bring the proof to the world. He will tell the truth by himself. I am this, I will do this, and I want to get this. I appeal to all the people in the world not to talk and say bad things about him.
No one really knows what Ram is thinking, how he is surviving, or if he is Buddha. And so it turned out. March the 13th, 2006, events took a turn that no one could have anticipated. Ram disappeared. Some reports suggest he's gone deeper into the jungle to continue his meditation in peace, undisturbed. Other reports are more sinister, claiming that he's been kidnapped. Perhaps Ram has decided against being a scientific miracle or a religious icon. Once thriving bazaar and bus park is deserted, the fence is broken, and the only trace of Ram is a red robe lying discarded in the hollow of a tree. He has not been seen since.